AIDS! Are you recording yet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello guys and welcome to the next Dota 2 funny moments, because it's funny moments.
What's up, bitches? We're on 7.0 now.
Yeah, it sucks.
Fuck
Ooh.
7.0.
I'll go place this one real quick.
Let me get this, please.
Okay.
Stretching my legs.
I don't think that's
So
recommended
sorry,
when you're sick.
Oh yeah, I have AIDS. Ah! No, don't hit my babies! Man, this guy's a douche canoe. I'm just trying to get spider babies, bro.
Okay, I got this, don't worry.
Oh, the tower hurts. It hurts so good.
Ha! Mine.
Oh, they're both.
They're both
so
magic,
immune.
Regis. And that's bullcrap.
No, leave me alone. I'm just a poor, helpless spider, mama.
I am just a poor boy from a poor family. Who's up here? Kill Juggernaut, kill Juggernaut. What are you doing? Kill Juggernaut. Oh my goodness. Zach, please. Just hit him. Just hit him. Thank you. Oh, you're alive? What? Why are you following me? This creep has strayed from home. Now he's going to die.
I'm going up here. I'm hiding. You saved my life. I'm eternally grateful.
We are eternally grateful.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do, alright? Y'all are gonna push up mid like this. Boom. And then I'm gonna go whoop-de-wop around, and then boom! I'm gonna take all that out. And then I'm gonna go down here, and I'm gonna go like that, and then we're gonna go boom! And then you guys are gonna be fighting here, and I'm gonna rip apart their entire base. Alright? Come here, boy! Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah! Over there. He's got. Oh, they've got a gem on the life stealer.
You're a little stuck.
I'ma just hide here for now. And if you ever saw him,
You would say he blows. Me too. This
Okay.
worked. Oh.
where the hell is Zach?
He's there.
Is he?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a dagon. Get a dagon.
Eh.
And I will always love noodles. I'm
You
coming,
thought.
boys. Osnos. I'm over here. Oh. You follow the Juggernaut. Hey, it came back.
Get wrecked, nerds. Okay.
Dude, 18 assists, 12 deaths. I'd say good, good game.
G frickin' G, boys.
Well, hope you guys have enjoyed. Peace.
Thanks for coming. See
Yeah,
you
thanks
later.
for staying. See ya.